Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Snapchat adding friends issue. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. No doubt Snapchat is a popular messaging app that is used for sharing pictures, videos, graphics and text. But the app also gives you an opportunity to meet new people and friends. But if you're not being able to add friends on your Snapchat, then here are some fixes you could try. First of all, check your internet connection. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. If you're already connected to one, try switching between them and find the best connection for your mobile device. Once you are connected to a stable internet, force stop your Snapchat application. Simply close your Snapchat app if it is running in the background, and once you do that, launch open your Snapchat application by tapping on the Snapchat icon in the app drawer. Once you choose a stable internet connection and force stop your application, your Snapchat adding friend problem should be fixed. If that still does not work, the next thing to do is to clear the cache and data of Snapchat. Simply open up your phone's settings, which is this icon over here, and from the settings menu, scroll down and tap on app. From the apps list, search for Snapchat. Tap on the app as soon as you find it, and from the app info page, tap on storage. Now, tap on clear cache at the bottom right, which will delete your cache data from your Snapchat app. Now again, tap on clear data at the bottom left and tap on OK, but remember that you must know your credentials for your Snapchat app before clearing your data for Snapchat. Tap on OK if you want to do that. If not, simply press cancel. Now, once you clear out your cache data, go back to your Snapchat app and see if that fixes the issue. If that still does not work, you can always try restarting your Android device. Press the power button and tap on restart from the options that is displayed like this. Once you reboot your system, wait for a few seconds and then tap open your Snapchat app and see if that makes any kind of a difference. Those were some of the fixes you could try whenever you are not being able to add friends on Snapchat. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.